Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted TikTok messages. So for example, here I DM'd Elon Musk like an emoji, like I DM'd this, but oh no, I'm embarrassed. I'm just going to delete this, delete for everyone, and then I deleted it, right? But how do I recover it? Now, it doesn't have the traditional recovery way. Like if I click on the three dots here, for example, there's nothing here that I could do. So what do we do to recover this? Now, unfortunately, we will have to download our entire TikTok data to be able to recover these messages. So from here, I want to go back. I want to reach my For You page again. I want to go to Profile. On Profile, I want to go on the three bar up here. On the three bar up here, I want to click on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, I want to go to Account. On Account, I want to click on Download Your Data. On Download Your Data, let's wait for it to load. You can click on all of your data here, for example. So it's account info, post and settings, activity, and my direct messages. Now this is where we will get our messages. If you want to download everything, you can, but if you want it to be custom, like you only want to download it, your messages, you can click on this, click on done. You can request the data, and then on download data, you will be redirected here. Now it might take a couple of minutes here, like you can see there's past requests here, but you can see on the requested section here, it's already available to download. Just click on download, and then you will have to just enter in your PIN that's sent to your email. After that, you can get your messages downloaded. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.